Hey guys, welcome to my channel Happy Learners. This is your host Maheen. I am a graduate nurse. अगर आपको पता नहीं है कि ये चैनल किस बारे में है तो प्लीज़ चेक आउट माय यूट्यूब ट्रेलर. Without wasting much time, I would move into my first video, which is of the latest immunization schedule. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो थोड़ा सा भी अच्छा लगे और लगे कि ये थोड़ा इनोवेटिव और क्रिएटिव है एंड इट हैज़ हेल्प्ड यू इन सम वे, प्लीज़ डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So let's get started with the video, guys. So first of all, this part of the immunization schedule is for the infants. Please mind my bad handwriting. So we will be writing the poem first and then continue it to transform into our immunization schedule. So let's say it out. Baby has big oranges. How many oranges? Oranges. 1, 2, and 3. Next, what does it have? Pineapple. 1, 2, and 3. Next comes protein plus calcium plus vitamins rich ingredients in meals plus rich juices with vitamin A. So here's the poem. Baby has big oranges. How many oranges? 1, 2, and 3. Pineapple 1, 2, and 3. And protein, calcium, vitamin rich ingredients in meals and let's just make it and rich juices with vitamin A. Now I'll be just highlighting the keywords of our poem. Here we go. Now this easy poem, this very easy poem will lead us to our immunization schedule. Let's see how. Some of you might have got the idea how it's going to lead, but we'll show it to all of you. From baby, we get it out. B, C, G. Next comes has and big. From that we have hepatitis for H and B. Next oranges, O, P, V. Oranges again, O, P, V again. Leading, sorry, 1, 2, and 3. So this is the first, second, and third dose. So this automatically becomes the 0 dose. Next comes pineapple. So from pineapple, we will take the word pen and it will lead to pentavalent. Next, protein, calcium, vitamin. These are just random words that I have made up with PCV. I just wanted this to highlight PCV, and the vaccine is also PCV. The full form of it is pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. You can remember it, or if you don't want to, you can leave that part, but it is good to remember that. Next comes rich, so that will be rotavirus. Next comes ingredients, so that will be IPV. Now IPV is inactivated polio vaccine. Next come meals and rich, so that is, we will highlight just the keywords key letters M and R, that is MR. The full form is measles plus rubella. Next come juices, that is Japanese encephalitis with vitamin A, and vitamin A remains the same. So here is our first table. Without any confusion, we have prepared this. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to tell you how to learn the entire immunization schedule this easily with some patterns and some code words. You will learn it all. Just stay with us till the end. So let's get started with the second part of the immunization schedule, that is particularly for children's. So for children's, so in this part of the immunization schedule, I have not made much of creativity, and I have not changed some of the words from the earlier poem because it will be easy for you to understand. Otherwise, you'll get confused. Not confused, but let's just keep it same, although it remains weird. So next part starts with daughter, daughter loves meals, red and oranges. I know that this is weird to hear, but let's just continue. Daughter loves meals rich in oranges and juices with vitamin A, cause that's delicious and tasty. These are both the same words, but I'm just doing it to learn the immunization schedule, so please forgive me for this weirdness. From here again, I will continue to take the key letters. This goes D, P, T, then comes measles and rubella, that is MR. Earlier it was the same. Then comes oranges, so that will be remaining OPV. That's why I didn't change the word orange. Next come juices, that is again JE, Japanese encephalitis. Next comes vitamin A, it will remain same. Next comes delicious. Now this delicious is actually the same vaccine as this, but I changed this word just to match the poem. Now this is again DPT. Don't get confused. Next come tasty, this is TT. So now we have two DPT here. So this will be DPT 1 and DPT 2, but not just one. Booster 1 and DPT booster 2. Now earlier in the table for infants, we already got measles 1. So this will be measles second dose. Earlier in the table, if you noticed, I wrote dose as dodge. Please don't give attention to it. Oranges, earlier in the table it was 0 dose, and the next was first, second and third dose. This will be booster dose. Next comes Japanese encephalitis. First in the table we got the first dose, and this one is the second dose. For vitamin A, there is a catch. In the table for infants, we got the first dose, and here we will get the second to 9th. dose. Next comes the last one, that is TT. So this will remain as TT. No changes. It's done. So let's start with the rest of the part of the immunization schedule. यहाँ पे मैंने जो वैक्सीन है उनको ऑलरेडी लाइन अप कर लिया है. जस्ट इमेजिन कि आपने थ्रू दैट पोएम आपने अपना जो फर्स्ट स्टेज है इम्यूनाइजेशन शेड्यूल का, दैट इज लाइनिंग ईच वैक्सीन अंडर ईच अदर, वो हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है. नाउ द रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट इज कि कौन से टाइम पे वो वैक्सीन देना है, क्या डोजेस में देना है, कौन से रोट में देना है, क्या साइट यूज करना है. तो वी विल कंप्लीट दिस पार्ट ऑल्सो वेरी इजीली. जस्ट फॉलो द पैटर्न दैट आई एम यूजिंग. नाउ फर्स्ट जो 3 वैक्सीन है, ये जो 3 वैक्सीन है ये हमारे बर्थ पे ही हम लोग को मिल जाने चाहिए, बट उनका एक लिमिट होता है. The initial left-sided limit is 0, that is at birth, but जो इस साइड राइट साइड का जो लिमिट है वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है in each case. So for BCG it is 0 to 1 years of age. For hepatitis B it is 0 to 24 hours. For OPV it is 0 to 15 weeks. So ये हमारा पहला 3 जो है वो बन गया है. नेक्स्ट वी विल बी कमिंग टू ऑल दिस. नाउ अभी हम ये दोनों को देखेंगे. नाउ दिस टू हैज बोथ 3 डोजेस, फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड, फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड, OPV एंड पेंटावेलेंट. सो फॉर बोथ दिस केस वी टेक 3 timings, that is 6, 10 and 14 weeks. Now this is also 6, 10 and 14 weeks. अब दूसरा पढ़ाव आता है फॉर दिस 3 वैक्सीन्स, दैट इज PCV, रोटावायरस एंड IPV. अभी यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि वो लोग एक पैटर्न यूज करते हैं. Up till here we have used 6, 10 and 14 weeks, 6, 10 and 14 weeks. Now this in case of PCV it will go as 6 and 14 weeks. 10 चला गया. रोटावायरस में this will come back again 6, 10 and 14 weeks. Again IPV में 10 चला जाएगा, 6 and 14 weeks. Okay. So have you noticed the pattern here? हमने दो जो 1, 2, 3 डोजेस थे उसमें हम लोगों ने 6, 10 and 14 weeks डाला. नेक्स्ट जो आता है इमीडिएट टू पेंटावेलेंट जो आता है उसमें 10 चला जाता है, 6 and 14 weeks रहता है. नेक्स्ट वन व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट अगेन 6, 10 and 14 weeks कम्स बैक एंड द नेक्स्ट वाले में 10 फिर से चला जाता है, 6 and 14 weeks ओनली. सो दिस इज द पैटर्न दैट यू शुड रिमेंबर. द लास्ट ऑफ the 3 vaccines that we get in infants, in case of infants, are MR, JE and vitamin A. So MR first dose ये क्या होगा 9 to 12 months, and in case of JE also it is 9 to 12 months. and vitamin A के केस में क्या होता है कि it is towards MR. so ये बोला जाता है कि at 9 months with MR. आपके इम्यूनाइजेशन शेड्यूल में ये लिखा होगा. सो दिस इज आवर टाइमिंग. द टाइमिंग इज डन. नेक्स्ट वी विल जंप अपॉन द डोजेस. सो डोजेस में इट्स वेरी इजी, नो नीड टू कॉम्प्लिकेट थिंग्स. फर्स्ट वी विल फिल अप द ओरल वैक्सीन्स. So we know polio is an oral vaccine, OPV oral polio vaccine. We will just fill the doses. 2 drops. 2 drops. And there's another vaccine that is oral, which is rotavirus, that is 3 drops. Now we have already marked the oral vaccines. Now we will mark the least number of dose and the most amount of doses. So the least one is BCG, that is 0.1 ml. If given below 1 month it becomes 0.05 ml. To remember this. And the most amount of doses is vitamin A, that is 1 ml. Okay, so apart from these doses, the rest of the entire vaccines are 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml, and one thing that we need to mention is IPV. Okay, IPV is similar to BCG, that is 0.1 ml. We are done with our doses. Now we will come to the roads. So we again will fill up with the oral doses. This we don't need. This we don't need. Oh, sorry. We need to write oral. Really sorry. We need to write oral, then oral. Not only this, the vitamin A dose is also oral. Okay, so we have already filled up the roads. Now what is left? The rest of the vaccines, right? So there is a pattern, that table that I will say, that goes ID, IM, ID, SC, and it's done. ID, IM, ID, SC. Done. I hope everyone will know the full forms. ID means intradermal, IM is intramuscular, oral is oral, SC subcutaneous. And you have filled up till this part of the immunization schedule. The table goes again, I will say once, after you have filled up the oral parts, after you have filled up the vaccines that is given orally, then you start this table. ID, IM, ID, SC, and you're done. The last one is the side. Let's get done with it. So similarly, like the road, as we have marked the oral first, we will do it here also. Oral, and oral. Okay, now the rest of the marking, for that we need to remember 3 full forms, short forms. I mean, these are LUA, left upper arm, RUA, right upper arm, and ALMT. These are basically left upper arm, right upper arm, anterolateral side of the mid thigh. With these 3, we will fill up the rest of the blanks here. So the code goes, we will be using just like the one we were using at road, that is ID, IM, ID, SC. Similar pattern we will work it here with those full forms that I have just told you now, and the flow would be LUA, then ALMT, ALMT, RUA, LUA. This is how the first part of the immunization schedule, that is for infants, is filled. Okay, so we have come to the last part of the immunization schedule, that is for children. I have marked here all the vaccines that are marked in the second part. Now let's finish it up quickly. So for timings, what happened, it is very easy. We just need to know that till Japanese encephalitis, it is 16 to 24 months. Okay, months, 16 to 24 months, MR 16 to 24, OPV 16 to 24 months, J 16 to 24. In case of vitamin A, it changes slightly, that is 16 to 18 months. and then the next are every 6 months till 5 years of age. Okay, 5 years of age. DPT booster is between 5 to 6 years, and the last one TT, that is, how do we calculate? Here we have written 5 to 6. Double of 5 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16 years. Okay, this is my technique. It is not necessary that you do it the same way, but it might help you. Now coming to the doses. So the doses would be OPV, again it is oral, so 2 drops. Okay, the rest, what happens is that only the dose of vitamin A changes. Earlier it was 1 ml, now it is 2 ml. The rest is all 0.5 ml. 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml. Now quickly coming to the route, we will do it as similar as we did in first case. So what we do, we will first fill up the oral drops. So this is oral. Okay, now we will go it into a pattern, that is IM, SC, SC, IM, okay, this is again oral, IM, IM. I forgot, I completely mistook it. Vitamin A is oral. Okay, now finishing up the site, we will again use this same short forms that we used in the earlier one. ALMT, LUA, RUA, and here one more site is added, that is upper arm. Okay, so here we don't need L or R, we would just use UA. Okay, so the pattern would be ALMT. Oral would be filled with oral, RUA, LUA, UA, UA. Here UA is upper arm. So it is anterolateral side of the mid thigh, right upper arm, left upper arm, upper arm, upper arm. Okay, this marks the end of our immunization table. Hope you like this weird poem. I hope to help you in future. Again, we'll see you in next video. So guys, मुझे पता है आपने इससे ज़्यादा लेम पोएम कभी नहीं सुना होगा, बट हु वांट्स टू बी अ पोएट. मुझे तो बस आपकी मदद करनी थी इम्यूनाइजेशन शेड्यूल सीखने में. तो अगर उसमें मैं आपकी मदद कर पाई तो आई विल फील कि मेरा ये वीडियो सक्सेसफुल रहा. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये वीडियो किसी की हेल्प कर सकता है, प्लीज़ डू शेयर द वीडियो. ऑल्सो मुझे प्लीज़ कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा क्या चीज़ें आपको अच्छी लगी, क्या चीज़ें आपको बुरी लगी, सो दैट आई कैन इम्प्रूव एज टू हेल्प यू गाइज. एंड देयर इज़ ऑल्सो वन इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट आई वांटेड टू शेयर विथ यू गाइज. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैंने BSc नर्सिंग के जितने भी सारे बुक्स हैं उनके लिंक्स दिए हैं. लिंक्स दिए हैं. अगर आप चाहें तो उस लिंक के थ्रू अपने बुक्स बाय कर सकते हैं. एंड या सो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू.